Welcome back, everybody. We are going to be making an Island Highball today. To start off this cocktail, we're going to use 1 dash of aromatic bitters. I can't find any of my things here. You're going to use a bar spoon worth of grenadine. Carefully. There's a little more than a bar spoon. Shh. Keep it to yourself.
Some Barspoon in a splash.
And you stole my jigger. Wrong with you? Okay. Moving on. All right. We're going to use 0.25 ounces of simple syrup, half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, half an ounce of fresh squeezed orange juice, stuff's everywhere, half an ounce of not fresh squeezed pineapple juice, and then lastly, 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Okay. Now that we have everything in there, we are going to add ice to our shaker tin. And we're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds. I recommend going a little bit longer. It kind of depends on the size of your glass that you're going to use. Today we are going to be using a Collins glass. Aggressive. Okay.
What you doing now?
We're going to add ice to our Collins glass. I'm hoping to get a pebble ice maker here real soon, people. Real soon. I lost my stuff. We're going to double strain. Maybe. There we go. Used all that beautiful citrus. Woo. Please hold. I need like one more ice cube. Please hold. Ah, that looks better. Finally, for our garnish, we're going to use both a lime wheel, maybe if I can get it on there, as well as an orange wedge. Voila. Oh, she's so pretty. She's a little extra. Don't be judgy. I'm going to taste. I'm going to give you my honest opinion and my honest rating. So my rating scale is 1, I would have one of these cocktails and then move on to the next one. 5 is I could drink this all night, no questions asked, and hate myself in the morning. Obviously, very citrusy on the nose. It's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be, which is I'm okay with. It's very light, very citrus forward, but you still taste the bourbon. But again, it's not something that smacks you in the face by any means. I could very easily drink this. This is definitely a very Island Highball is a good name for this one. This one I'm gonna give a 4 out of 5. We're gonna go 4 out of 5. I think this is a very delicious. This is perfect for summer. It's nice and light. It's not overly sweet. Yes, there's a lot of citrus in it, but that little amount of simple syrup didn't take us over the edge. And I was actually surprised because of the pineapple juice, but it was only half an ounce. But highly recommend. Very delicious cocktail. Ingredients are listed down below, so you get to make this at home. Let me know if you do and what your rating on the cocktail is. Also, make sure you like, follow, subscribe. I can't wait to see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.